How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's video, we'll be going over a quick breakdown of removing and replacing the upper differential bushing, covering all 2005 to 2014 Mustangs. Replacing the upper differential bushing in your S197 Mustang is needed from time to time. Years of wear and tear on your suspension can ultimately cause the factory rubber to deteriorate and eventually fail. This video will give you step-by-step instructions of taking the old worn-out bushing and installing a new one. We're going to show you how to do this on an 05 to 14 Mustang today. We will be installing a new polyurethane bushing. This can be found in the description below. One quick tech tip that I would like to mention is freezing the new bushing. If you toss the bushing in the freezer overnight, this will cause the material to shrink up slightly and make the overall installation a little bit easier. Some of the tools you will need are going to be a lift or a jack and jack stand, a complete socket set including a 24mm half-inch socket, a half-inch impact, some assorted pry bars and a drill, a bit set, a die grinder with assorted wire wheels and flap wheels, and general cleaning supplies. To begin the installation, you will need to remove the factory upper control arm from the chassis. If you need to know the step-by-step procedure for this one, check out the link in the description below. We also chose to remove the panhard bar and the panhard brace. This is not 100% necessary, but believe me, it will free up some extra workroom and make the overall install much more accessible. To see how these are removed, check out the links in the description below. After the upper control arm has been removed, lower the differential down to give you some extra workroom. Grab your drill with a 3/8 drill bit and drill out multiple locations around the perimeter of the OEM rubber bushing. Try to get as close to the outer metal shell as you can to remove as much rubber as possible. Now you can fully remove the bushing. We will need to clean the factory metal shell at this time. We found that a standard drill or die grinder mounted flap wheel or wire brushes worked best. Take your time here and do not damage the outer shell. Now we can begin the installation process. The kit we are installing also included the factory upper control arm bushing. Make sure to inspect both of these to ensure that you are installing the correct one. It's pretty evident due to the size difference, as you can see here. Lubricate the bushing using the proper grease provided within the box. Apply a thin layer on all sides and make sure to also include the inner bolt sleeve. Align the bushing with the flange side facing the driver's side of the shell. Lightly tap this in place until it fully seats within the metal shell. Now you can take this time to lubricate the end cap. Place the end cap on the passenger side of the outer shell. Once the bushing is in place, you can tap in the bushing bolt sleeve. Now you can reinstall your upper control arm and any other associated parts you may have also removed. Check over your work, test drive the vehicle, and you are all done. Alright everybody, we hope this has helped you have a better understanding of how to remove and replace the upper differential bushing for your 2005 to 2014 S197 Mustang. Overall, this one should take you a couple hours to complete. If you liked this video, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new tech info we release. As you already know, make sure to keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.